Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going. Oh, okay, it's been a while since I making a videos. Yeah, it's been like a big while because I was. Yeah, now I'm back. I am back to. Yo, now I'm back for making videos. I'm going to update my life after I get back to Turkey, and I am going back to Turkey in the next 3 days. Yes. And now I'm going to update you guys or doing some, or I'll do some little get ready with me before flying to Turkey. So yes, yeah, the reason that I've been with myself. Yeah, kind of. What should I do? Oh, sorry. I came back to Thailand since February after earthquake happened in Turkey, which is it was affected my city that I left. It's Adana. Yeah, we were affected by earthquake directly. So after the earthquake happened, my life was just like chaos, like kind of chaotic. I don't know. Please correct me. Thank you. And then I came back to Thailand since February after that, and then I've been here in Thailand for 6-7 months, and then all my school and everything is online. But now it's holidays, summer break, not holidays, summer break, and I'm going back to Turkey on this upcoming Saturday. Yes. So I'm gonna show you guys some. I'll do some packing. Yeah, which is I'm going out. My flight is the next 3 days, and I'll have a lot of stuff. I'll bring a lot of stuff because I've been here in Thailand for so long, and when I go to Turkey, I'll be, getting like I will be adapt again new things, for example food and stuff. So I'll bring a lot of stuff going to Turkey. Yes. Okay, so here all the clothes that I will bring is like so many because I just bought a new collection again, which is like, if you guys notice, it's like I love fashion. I'm kind of like newbie with fashion, but so I bought a lot of these clothes because because I know that I will never find in Turkey, so I bought here in Thailand before flying to Turkey. Yeah, so I don't know if I can bring it because it's just so many, and then it will be like overweight because the luggage is 25 kilos limited. So I don't know, but let's see. So this is the luggage, the big one. I will bring it here. So this one, I'll put all of my food that I will bring because I bought a lot of food also because food is important, and the Turkish food is not my, I don't know, I mean, like, I love Thai food, so I have to bring it. I bring them a lot, so I'll miss them when I go back. Yeah, so I think this luggage I'll just put only for a food or snack. Yeah. Okay, this one I think is really important. I have to bring this one. Okay. A lot of sausage. This one is firstly I've been to Turkey, like I didn't bring this one, but I think now I need this one. Yeah, it's my favorite of all time. And there's a lot of sauce, too many sauce here. I don't know which one should I take, but like my luggage is limited, so I have to buy important stuff. I got fish sauce, and this one is soya sauce for the egg, I think. And this one's for, I don't know what do you call it in English, hot pot, something like that. So this is Thai paste that really famous. I think I have to bring. I already got those like tom yum and then green chicken curry and also lamb and namtok. And I think I'll like this is all of my favorite. Oh my god! I got 2 here now, but I already bought a lot. But just like today, I came here and then like added more. And for example, this which is you never find this one. This chili you never find in Turkey because Turkish food is not spicy. Oh my god! But I already I got 2 already. This one. So this market is so big. Like I don't know if I can find the stuff that I want. I only listed like few stuff, but when I see it here, I think like oh, I want this one also. So I don't know. Like, let's see how much I will spend. Oh wow! Yeah, so here's the food and snack that I will put it here because this one is not enough, and just like it I will carry on, so I just have to change this one. Just little update. Oh, it's 2 a.m. No, it's almost 2 a.m. I didn't finish it, so I think I'll just finish them tomorrow. So I think now I need to go to sleep. Our last day in Bangkok. Not our, me. My first. My last. Sorry. It's my last day in Bangkok. Hello. อันนี้เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะวัดปะเนี่ยวัดอะไรอ่ะวัดบวรนิเวศOh, it looks nice. I know it's sad, but it's my last day in Bangkok today. In Thailand also, it's my last day in Thailand. I'm about to fly back for school. Oh my god. So sad. But happy to see my friends in Turkey also. Oh, this is some, what do you call this? ต้องหาภาษาเดี๋ยวค่อยไปหาใหม่ก็ได้ไม่รู้เดี๋ยวค่อยไปหาสวยอ่ะ so beautiful ไฟสวยมากLook at that, so beautiful though. Can you see it? Hand กล้องเร็วกันไหมครับแบ็คกราวด์สวยมากเลยอะสีแบบ แสงสีเหลืองให้ทำก็คือใครรออะไรเอ่ยรอ5ใช่รอ7ไม่ใช่6อะไรเนี่ย รอนี่ใช่ป่ะ They are praying right now but I don't know I have no idea what they're saying อันนี้คือเขาจะสวดแบบนี้ทุกเย็นเหรอใช่คำว่าเย็นเช้าก็เย็นภาษาสันสกฤตป่ะแล้วเขาสวดอ่ะ So today is my last day. This is my real last day in Thailand. My flight will be tonight, but I'm still on the bed. I feel so lazy. Yeah, I already packed all the stuff. Bye bye, beautiful view. See you later. Nice. จัดเป๋าเสร็จพอดีครับ เมื่อคืนเสร็จตี 3ป่ะ I think yeah. I done packing at 3 a.m. last night. So I got two luggages here. The big one, the heaviest one, and this one is the carry-on one. And after that, only this one I will carry it on the flight on the plane. This snack I think I can't bring it to Turkey. I can't make it because I have no space to put. Oh, it's so small. This mirror is so small. Okay, guys, now I'm ready to go to the airport. So yes, so this is my outfit today. Bye bye room. Bye bye bye. Bye bye Bangkok. Somebody got a wall to sell around. Yeah guys, now we are heading to the airport. Actually, but like I'm with my friends. So แสบตาปะได้อยู่คือจริงๆอันเนี้ยถ่ายวอล์กทำลง YouTube ใช่นี่สิเนี่ยตอนนี้น่าจะผมคิดว่าฉันแต่งก่อนเดี๋ยวนี้อะไรนะก็นะคะถ้าจะลงเนี่ยส่งให้ฉันแต่งก่อนได้ไหมได้สิโอเคฟังเพลงนี้นี่นะครับเยาวราชก่อนบินคนเยอะด้วยฝนตกแต่ก็หยุดตกแล้วเฮ้ยแต่ดูสวยนะมันมีไฟไงหรือว่าเพราะเปิดแฟลชวะมันดูสวยก็ทำงานเรื่อยๆทำงานอะไรอ่ะ transfer ข้อมูลบายบายเยาวราชมาแค่ไม่กี่ครั้งเองคนขับรถของเรานะครับคนสวย
วันนี้จะเดินทางไปไหนคะอัสมาน
ไปอิสตันบูลครับกลับไปเรียน
อิสตันบูล
ใช่ครับอิสตันบูลตัวไรกี
วันนี้มาส่งอัสมานไม่ใช่
ไม่ใช่ไปคนละทางกันนะอาจารย์จะไปที่ไหนนะครับ
ไปที่โซนค่ะกรุงโซล
กรุงโซลประเทศเกาหลีนะครับส่วนผมก็ไปอิสตันบูลตัวไรกีอาจารย์สมัยเรียนนะครับผมสมัยม.ปลายเป็นแม่ที่รัก
ดูแลกันมานะ
ใช่ครับ